Hey folks, so today I'm going to answer the question, is shopping for a roof like shopping for a used vehicle? So recently, you'll see the vehicle behind me. We had to add to our fleet. New people coming aboard, we had to add another vehicle. So went into the used car market, looked at dealerships, looked at private party, found what I consider to be a really good deal private party. So went ahead, pulled the trigger. I think we bought it right. Of course, the seller is saying, perfect condition, no issues, going to pass inspection, it's going to last you forever. So you always have to have that kind of reservation in your mind, right? Is that just salesman talk? Is that kind of, I need to offload this thing? Why are you really selling? We have all those kind of issues, right? Turns out, kind of as suspected, needed a couple $1,000s. So we put in, ball joints and control arms and all this good stuff, rear brakes. I don't really lose sleep at night because of that, because I know it's going to last us that much longer. It's got a lot of new parts now. Should be a nice, reliable vehicle for us for a while. It'll do what we need. It is a used vehicle after all, right? And that's really, a lot of people think of a roof in the same way because they're spending similar dollars, right? This might be a $5, $6, $7, $8,000 truck. You can get one a little bit newer. It's going to last a little bit longer. Maybe you spend 15 or 20. It goes up. You buy something new, it's going to be 35, 40, but it's going to last you quite a bit longer. And you're trading basically dollars for quality, length of life, and overall value. So when you start looking at a roof, and here's where we kind of separate, you can kind of make that analogy and say, if I pay more, I should get more. A stone-coated metal roof might last significantly longer than an asphalt shingle, and some asphalt shingles will cost a little bit more, but they're actually a better quality, a better product. So you can see that analogy. However, if I got this truck and they said the engine's bad, I can fix the engine. If you have somebody put a new roof on and it turns out they installed it wrong, you can't fix that. The cost to replace that is going to be the exact same as it was to replace your other roof. It's not, you quoted me 10, they said 7, I decided to save a few $1,000s and go with the guy that had a truck and an @Gmail email account, and I thought maybe that'd be okay. So I spent 7 there. Turns out he installed it wrong, and what do I do now? Well, you don't spend the extra 3 and get it done right. You spend the 10 again. So essentially, in a vehicle world where we see that same kind of dollar amount, with a vehicle, you're going to be saying, all right, well, I spent $6,000 on an old truck. I need to put $2,000 into it. Now it's an $8,000 truck. Is that still a good deal? Sure, maybe it is. You get a roof for $7,000. It's not done right. You don't have to put another 10 in it. Now it's a $17,000 roof. And I will tell you, if you're getting it done for 10, it's not worth 17. So definitely make sure when you're hiring a contractor, you're not thinking of it like a used vehicle. Used vehicle, you repair it, you fix it, you kind of eat it, and you sleep a little bit worse at night. A new roof, that can be financial disaster for you. And now you're fighting kind of an uphill battle trying to figure out what to do next. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that changes your mindset just a little bit. But I wanted to really compare that because it just happened to us with the vehicle. We're okay with it. We bought it right, like I said. So we'll be okay. It'll be added to the fleet. It's going to get wrapped, ladder rack, everything else added to it in the next week or so, and you'll see it on the road. If you're looking for a new roof, please ask those contractors. Make sure you're hiring the right one. Don't make the decision over a few $100s or even a couple $1,000s. If you know you're going to get the better quality job, you know you're going to get the better quality product, you're dealing with the right contractor that you have a lot more faith in, it's worth it. Go with your gut sometimes. Do your research, look at reviews, look at the credibility, look at the product being installed, look at the installers, look at everything, and make the best decision for you and your situation. If you need us, please feel free to reach out, happyhomeroofs.com, or give us a call, 833-38-HAPPY.